Hi everyone! Well, what a year. No one could have guessed back in December that the next 10 months would pan out quite as they have. No amount of studying future trends could have helped us guess that. But despite all of the confusion and all the disruption, I'm absolutely delighted to say that this year, the Future Generations Leadership Academy took 20 talented, incredible individuals on a real journey of development. Through the programme, participants have had a really wide variety of new experiences and opportunities. They've taken part in innovative workshops that have helped guide and support some of Wales's most senior leaders. They've been provided with the space and the opportunity to build really meaningful relationships with some current leaders across Wales through Leadership in Action and reverse mentoring sessions. And they've collaborated together to workshop some of the most complex and immediate challenges facing Wales. This year, our leaders have led themselves within their organisations by facilitating discussions around the Act. They've delivered presentations to their senior leadership teams and their boards. They have supported the implementation of their organisation's own reverse mentoring schemes and action learning sets. They have developed strategic plans to support their organisations better implement the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act, and they have led on discussions around some really critical issues of 2020, including Black Lives Matter. And because of all of this activity and all of this motion and motivation, I am absolutely confident that we will continue to see the impact of this programme, both in the individuals who have taken part, but also in their organisations for many years to come. So well done to the 20 of you. You make me so proud and so confident that our generation will truly be one to leave Wales and the world better than we found it.